Hello crafters of Empty Family, welcome back to Empty Craft Zone. For this video I have purchased this cute sketchbook. Yeah, it's a little bit cute but I think it's so boring. So we're going to turn this boring sketchbook into an amazing piece of art. You can see it's very simple and there is nothing. It has 9 pages and we're going to turn this boring sketchbook into art. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for the cover, I'm using this blue sheet of paper, yes of course, because the skin one is not so colorful. So you can use any color, I'm using a blue one. We will stick the sheet by using glue stick. I'm going to glue a lot of things in this video. Now we're going to cut the extra piece of sheet. Here I'm using these cute washi tapes. You can see that this pink one is more attractive on blue, so that's why I'm using this color. Let's put the washi tape in a really neat way. Now these are some of the printables that I have printed for this video and I'm going to use them in this sketchbook. So for the cover, I think the blue one is more attractive, and also I have purchased these new markers. Let me know in the comments if you like the decorations that I've done for these one. Do you like this green marker with pink flower or this cute yellow one with a character on the top, the cute purple marker, or this pink one with a ball hanging out of it? This blue marker look really magical with this top. Now I'm writing let's sketch because we're going to sketch in this book. Also, I'm going to draw a lot of things. Now after making the letters bold, I'm cutting the extra paper and we'll stick them in the middle of the cover. I think it looks more cute here. Yeah, here. No, I mean here. Yes, it's looking beautiful here. And yes, I'm using this blue cute printable for the side space. Just to make the words look more highlighting, I'm adding black marker and also I'm using some cute stickers. You can write any other thing, but I'm writing here draw because we're going to draw a lot of things in this sketchbook. We're going to sketch, we're going to draw, and we're going to paste. I'm trying to make the process more fun and easy for you guys. That's why I'm just speeding up the video so that you won't get bored of long processes. Well, this red flower marker is my favorite one. What do you think about this flower decoration? Let me know in the comments down below. And guys, we're almost done with the cover. You can see that I'm trying to make white bubbles or white circles, you can say, to add more fun and more beauty to the cover. The more beautiful the cover, the more attractive would be the sketchbook. And we're done. Now let's move towards this list. I have created this cute panda book a few months ago and I have wrote some random ideas for the sketchbook pages. So for the first page, I think it's better if we welcome, like it's the first page, so it should be so inviting and so welcoming. And I'm recording this video on 12th of June and we will finish the sketchbook till 14th June. We only have 2 days to finish these 9 pages of the sketchbook and we have total 18 pages because each page have 2 sides, you know. So I'm adding this green watercolor to make the boundaries look more attractive. You can use any other color if you like, but I think that green and purple are looking more refreshing here. So guys, as it is a sketchbook and mainly it's about sketching something, so I'm sketching these cute eyes here and it's really easy to make eyes. I love to draw eyes and yep, I'm trying to draw green eyes. Let's make the lashes, remove the unnecessary lines, and you're done with the eyes. I'm also creating a cute dog face here. Some extra lines, some red grass or red flowers you can say, and we're done with the first page. So one page done and 8 to go. So let's keep going. If you are new to my channel and you don't know much about my art, let me show you how I used to sketch when I was a kid. I've created this sketchbook a long time ago and many things are incomplete in this. I don't know why, but it's like I never had time to finish them. So for this video, I'm using some of the sketches, some doodle art from this old sketchbook. Yeah, this pen art is a little bit cuter, and of course this doodle art. They are so cute that we're going to cut them and paste them in our new sketchbook. These two sketches are incomplete, so let's complete them first. To make the sketches look more prominent on this paper, I'm pasting this yellow page and cutting the extra part of the page. Now by using glue stick, I'm pasting the sketches on this paper. Can you guys guess what I'm going to do with the background? Yes, I'm going to use this black pencil to give real dark shades to the sketches. Alright, this sketch is a sketch of a sad girl. I don't know why she's sad and why I've made her sad, but she's really looking sad here. Let's add more and more hairs, a little bit of light effect, and yep, now we're here with all of the makeup. I love doing makeup in a shady way. It makes them look so attractive. Let's make the eyes, the lips, add more lines to the lips, and you're done with the basic sketching. Now she's looking so cute. I love this sketch, how it turned out. You can see the close look. Now for adding more details of makeup, I will use a cotton bud. Yes, it blends the pencil so nicely. We're also going to give the hair a more shade. Now I'm adding a little bit of more hairs because I think it would look more better if I add more hairs. Yep, this was the thing that I was talking about. It's easy to make backgrounds like this one around sketches, and it is really cute. I'm only adding the blue lines in the middle part of the page. I love backgrounds like this one because these are the backgrounds that really highlight your sketches. And now we're going to add more blue lines. I think it's done. Now it's looking good. By using again my black color pencil, I'm adding a shade beneath the face and I'm trying to blend it nicely. Then I'm creating some lines for the hairs like we've done in the previous sketch. Now it's not like if you don't have a hobby markers, you can't fill a sketchbook. Remember, art is a thing that's inside your heart or that's in you. Just grab a common pencil or a color and draw what you love the most. Now I want to give this sketch a little bit of more darker look than the previous one. So I'm adding more dark black lines to the eyes so it shows that this girl is wearing a lot of makeup. Do you guys love makeup as a girl? Because if I talk about myself, I really love makeup. Yes, always give shade to the nose. It will make your sketch look more realistic. I'm done with the lips and now it's time to color the outfit. I'm leaving these folds without any color because it will show that the outfit has some kind of design in it. And yep, we're almost done with the outfit. Guys, if you are new to my channel, I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and if you really did, then don't forget to like the video because it took a lot of hard work creating this sketchbook masterpiece in just 2 days. Now again, it's time to use this cotton bud to blend everything, make eyeshadows, add contour, a little bit amount of blush, and we're done with the second sketch and also with the second page. I hope you guys have liked this drop makeup look of this sketch that I've tried to create. Let me know in the comments if you really did. And now let's move towards the third page of the sketchbook. Now I'm using this pink marker to make a shape in the middle of the page. You can create any shape, but I like this one because we're going to write a quote or something inside this one. I'm adding some splashy effect like something is coming out from this shape. Now I'm dividing the extra page around the shape into different portions and filling each portion with these highlighters and markers. These are the highlighters that I've created by myself, and I'm going to upload a tutorial on these ones too. Add different colors to each portion and also some little design details because it will make your page look more cuter. Then I'm adding this quote like life is art, and we all know that art is life. It's a sketchbook, so that's why I'm adding quotations about art and craft. Now moving towards the next page, we're going to paste this printable here, and this printable is showing some kind of girl's power. I'm using these old doodles that I've created in the previous sketchbook, and I've cut the doodles and simply pasting them according to the page. Yeah, this one looks more cuter here, and this unicorn one looks more cuter there. Now I'm writing girl's power because this printable is showing some kind of powerful girls. So let's write girl's power here, and I think it looks beautiful. This page is one of my favorite pages of the sketchbook. Next, add more details, more designs. I'm creating an eye here because, okay, we are going to make lips first because it's all about girls. So let's create something, but this art should be in the form of doodles. So that's why I'm creating this rough shapes. And this type of art looks so cute on sketchbook. That makes the eyelashes. And I'm going to make a blue eye. That's why I'm adding blue color. Let's fill the lips with the red rose marker. guys, these are the drawings that I'm creating for my channel, and I hope you like these drawings. Now we're done with this page. I will try my best to upload the part 2 of this video. Let me know in the comments, do you like this or not? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye bye.